So hello folks, how are you doing? Today we are sitting in a very premium Genesis product again. You know, we tested the GV70, but honestly this is a huge step up. This is a G80, also electrified with more or less the same ingredients, a bit less power but still all-wheel drive and electric powered, and a very premium interior. This tan, even a dark tan suede at the top really looks good and also feels good. Matte wood. It's a definite competitor to the EQE or BMW i5. I would even say it's a bit step up. It's somehow between an EQE and EQS or an i5 and i7 also size wise. It's really quiet. You will hear it in the next minutes, and also very comfortable and luxurious. But of course we're here today first of all to do the acceleration using the race box, see how fast it goes 0 to 100, and because it's all-wheel drive and has some power, 370 HP and 700 Newton meters of torque, and of course also see how fast it goes 100 to 200, because this car is doing 240 kilometers on speedo, which is very interesting for such a business sedan. Other cars won't do it. And without further talking, let's try it out. Put it into the sport mode. This is all you need to do. Everything is very quiet, but we put it into the sport mode and see what the numbers are. Yes, that was quick. Of course, cornering in such a luxury sedan is not like in a sports car, but nevertheless, it does it quite good, honestly. 4.7 seconds, need to be corrected just a tiny bit, probably 4.8. It's even faster than what the factory is claiming. Let's now head out onto the Autobahn and see what the box says when we go 100 to 200. This is good. That's a pretty strong pull, I would say. 15 seconds, 100 to 200. Yeah, it's not a racer, but nevertheless, that's not that much slower than a GTI. So let's put it back to the comfort mode. I think we have seen some very good times. I don't know if we would be able to do faster times. Probably 14 point something would be possible, because the 15.2 was uphill run in this case, and therefore I think something like 14 point something would be possible. Nevertheless, you can see how easily that car pulls from 100 to 220, 230, 240 in the end, because the top speed is even higher than what we have driven. And therefore a very interesting car. As just said, it's comfortable, it's quiet, it's everything that you expect from a business car in that regard. And I'm really looking forward if the BMW i5 and the EQE, I haven't driven them yet in the latest version, can really cope with this one. Funny enough, I just pressed the button of the rear facing camera for reverse. I don't know why it's on. It should not be on, probably, in that regard. Nevertheless, we will have more fun with this car. We might even do a long Autobahn range test. Not sure if that is suiting our time schedule, but I would love to do it because the consumption is also very reasonable. I have driven the car in overall, I think in the end now with 1,000 kilometers at 22.9 kilowatt hours. That's the average consumption on the last 1,000 kilometers, and I have been driving 150, 160 on the Autobahn, or even doing acceleration test. So that's a very good number. Plus, of course, you get the charging speed of that 800 volt system. Absolute recommendation, this car. Try it out. I think there are even some attractive leasing rates for such a car out, so really like it.